Truckfest, Malvern 2025.
Dealer point manager of Cardiff. We organised this event. It's been a great success. Very busy. Saturday especially. Saturday's been really good. Sunday's quieting down a little bit, but there's so much interest. It's pushed the brand so far. Just with people who wouldn't expect to see it. Little kids walking around with little balloons. People coming in with our little Renault tote bags. It's just a lot of brand awareness. It's been really good. It's been a really interesting few days.